Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. I'm going to be doing a requested video today. I'll show you guys how easy it is to make jerk season, homemade jerk season in your kitchen. Easy, fast and simple. So let's come on and I'll show you what you will need in order to make this jerk season recipe. Come on. Okay guys, right here I have some chopped onion and I'm using that onion instead of the white onion. I'm using that one. That's the onion that I use whenever I'm making homemade jerk seasoning. To that I'm going to be adding some ginger, grated ginger right there. I'm going to be putting some pimento seeds in as well. I have 2 hot scotch bonnet pepper right there. Also, I'm going to add some thyme. That's dried thyme. If you have fresh thyme, use that. I'm also going to put some brown sugar. That is about a little less than a half a cup of brown sugar. I'm going to add my garlic. That is dried garlic. I'm also going to add a half a teaspoon of nutmeg right there. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And I'm also going to add a half teaspoon of salt. Also, I'm going to add my lemon juice or fresh lemon if you have it. Now, I'm going to also add some soy sauce. If you don't have soy sauce, do not panic. You could use molasses. Okay, if you have molasses, you could use that. This is the one that I have. Just do not put too much of that in there. Just a little bit is fine. I'm not going to use molasses in here today, guys. I'm going to be using soy sauce in here. Also, I'm going to be adding some vinegar. And all you need is your blender. You're going to need your blender to make this up. So, come on, let's put these ingredients together. Okay, guys. Now we're going to go ahead and add our ingredients to make our jerk season sauce. First, you want to go ahead and put your onions in. I'm going to add my peppers in. I'm going to go ahead and add my ginger in there as well. Now I'm going to put my pimento seeds. I'm going to put my garlic. I'm also going to add my sugar. I'm going to add my thyme. I'm also going to add my salt, my cinnamon powder, and my nutmeg. That is all a half a teaspoon of each. Also going to add half a teaspoon of vinegar, teaspoon of lemon juice, maybe a little more than a teaspoon. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of soy sauce. Oil. You want to add oil into it as well. Okay? Maybe about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil or vegetable oil or coconut oil, EVO, it doesn't matter. Just go ahead and add that in. All you want to do next, cover it up nice and tight and blend away. And there you have it, guys. I'm done. That's your homemade jerk seasoning sauce. And that is what it looks like right there. So there you have it, guys. I'm all done. It's fast, it's easy, and it's simple. Homemade Jamaican jerk season. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like and share. Thumbs up, thumbs up. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy!
Drowning in waves in the ocean of time, giving up.
gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, a time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.